Hello, my name is Thomas from Ron Tonkin Kia, and today I'll show you just how easy it is to get your vehicle serviced with us. You'll find us conveniently located at 19335 Southeast McLaughlin Boulevard in Gladstone, Oregon. When you arrive for your appointment, simply follow the sign to our service drive. Pull your vehicle into the service drive and park in one of our designated service lanes. Then head inside where one of our friendly service advisors will be ready to welcome you, review your appointment, and answer any questions you may have. While our certified technicians take care of your vehicle, you're welcome to relax in our comfortable customer lounge. Help yourself to complimentary coffee, water, and snacks while you wait. Our restrooms are just around the corner and are available for all of our guests. Whether you're here for routine maintenance or more extensive repairs, our factory-trained technicians use the latest equipment and genuine parts to help keep your vehicle running safely and performing at its best. Our team is committed to providing quality service and making every visit as convenient and enjoyable as possible. Thank you for choosing Ron Tonkin Kia. We look forward to seeing you at your next service visit. Have a great day.